What's up guys? Today you don't need a lot of money to watch a movie or even play games on a big 100-inch screen. In fact, $100 would be enough, because you can buy a projector like this one. It has Full HD native resolution, 200 ANSI or 9000 lux brightness, dual-band Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.2 support. The projector is called iZeeker and it has a model name of iPL310. Okay, first let's do unboxing and look at the package contents, and then we will test Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connection, as well as check the projection quality. You know, iZeeker is a compact projector, so it comes in a small box. We can see how a projector looks like on the front of the box, and that there are main features of it on the side, such as native 1080p, Bluetooth, dual-band Wi-Fi and tripod. When you open the box, you will find a carry bag. It is a high-quality bag. I am very surprised to see it with a budget projector. Inside the box is the projector itself. You know, it is even smaller than I expected. We will talk about size and overall design a little later. Then we have a tripod, HDMI cable, power cable, AV cable, and remote control. The package also includes a user manual in different languages, as well as sticks and cloths for cleaning the projector lens. So a compact size is the first feature of the new iZeeker projector. Its dimensions are 190 by 165 by 85 mm. The weight 930 grams. The projector is very lightweight and compact, so you can carry it with you to the office, college, friends, etc., especially since it has a nice bag. The body of projector is made of white plastic. There is a lens and infrared receiver for remote control on the front. The air outlet is on the left side, while the right side has an air inlet and AC power. There is also a sticker with the instruction how to plug the AC cable. On the back of projector, there is a second I/O receiver, two USB ports, HDMI port, AV and audio output. iZeeker projector also has hi-fi stereo dual speakers on the back, and we will test the sound quality a little later in this video. If we look at the top, we will see a focus and keystone correction wheels, as well as control buttons such as power on/off, left, right, OK, up, down, and return. The new budget projector has ceiling mounts at the bottom, so you can install it on the ceiling or just place it on a table. Overall, iZeeker projector looks very good. Despite the budget price, it has a good build quality. However, because of the compact size, I am interested in checking the noise level. So the noise level near projector is about 52 decibels. You will mostly be using a projector at a distance of 1–2 meters. The noise level will be 38 decibels. By the way, talking about temperature, I watched a movie for about 2 hours and the projector became warm from the left side. It's not a big problem, because it is not hot, but I would advise not closing the air exhaust, otherwise the projector can get very hot. Okay, now let's talk about the user interface of iZeeker iPL310. A projector has a simple multimedia system, so you can use a screen mirroring, HDMI connection, USB flash drive, and AV connection. We will talk about screen mirroring a little later, but now let's go to the settings. You know, the settings menu is also standard for budget projectors. Here we have picture settings, such as picture mode, color temperature, screen direction, and projection zoom. The sound settings include a sound mode and balance. You can also use a sleep timer and auto sleep on this projector. Finally, in general settings, we can change the language. Bluetooth settings, reset and software update. As already said, the new iZeeker projector has Bluetooth 5.2, so you can connect it to the external speaker. Just go to the Bluetooth settings and select the external device. In my case, this is a portable speaker. However, you can also use a built-in speaker in projector. The volume is high, but the sound quality is average. I would like a little more bass. Okay, now I want to show you how to mirror a screen from the smartphone to projector. First, you need to open the home screen and go to screen mirroring. There are 4 connection methods available, such as iOS Wi-Fi, iOS Cellular, iOS Cable, and Android. I will use Wi-Fi connection of iOS device. The next step is to connect projector to your home Wi-Fi network. Finally, take your smartphone, go to screen mirroring and select a projector. That's all. By the way, iZeeker projector supports dual-band Wi-Fi, so the delay is low. You can use the wireless connection method to watch movies or even play games. Finally, let's talk about projection quality. I have placed the projector at a distance of about 2.5 meters of the wall, and the screen size is 80 inches. The manufacturer says that the maximum screen size can be 180 inches, but I haven't checked it. I think the best projection quality is between 80 or 120 inches. The native resolution of iZeeker projector is Full HD. The image looks clear, but only in the center. Edges and corners are blurred. It is a problem of most budget models. Unfortunately, this projector is not good for office or college because it is quite difficult to read text around the edges. However, this doesn't prevent you from watching videos, especially sports events.
Lillard gets a screen. Lillard drives the lane on Gobert. His shot a little short. Adebayo with a nice offensive rebound.
That's normal. I mean, the depth there gets the shorter ball, and seems to be the wing that she's looking to go into.
But there's one problem. There's a human, has a mustache, just like you.
You think I know every human being with a mustache wearing an identical outfit with a hat with a letter?
With good specifications and affordable price. For example, it has 10.1-inch Full HD Plus display, 8 gigs of RAM, and 128 gigs of storage.
The bigger the better, right? And a larger screen should bring more utility.
As for the watching movies, some of them are really dark.
It's the perfect game.
How long have you known each other?
It was like brothers.
This is because the brightness of iZeeker projector is 200 ANSI, which is not very high. However, you can even watch YouTube in a room with light on.
So good.
So I have mixed feelings about the projector because it has quite low brightness, which is not good for watching movies, as well as blurred edges and corners, which is bad for reading text. However, this is a budget projector, under $100, and it has Full HD native resolution, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth support, dual speakers, and a very good package, which includes a carrying bag and a tripod. For watching YouTube or even kids' cartoons, it is a good projector. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon!